Hello everyone, Erik Andress with Atronic Alarms. This week we are discussing video doorbells. There are a ton of options out there for everyone, and what we've noticed in the alarm industry is that the options have increased, but the education has not. That leaves room for consumers to feel like their solution that they purchased was subpar. So what we're going to do is we are going to discuss the video doorbell solution that we provide at Atronic Alarms, why we chose to provide this one, and what makes it a little bit different than some others you may see in the industry. So just right off the bat, some of the features, it's 1080p precise clarity. We use a doorbell that has pinch to zoom technology. So for a little bit better look, you can actually just grab the screen with 2 fingers and pinch in to get a better quality look at what you're trying to see if it's a little bit further off the door. Day-night video functionality. Also, it uses the existing doorbell power, so there's no external power source. Wedge accessories are available so we can get a better angle. Not every home is just perfectly fit to have a camera sitting at the front porch. So we can put something there to give you a little bit better shot of what you're trying to see. It has a 180-degree field of view. And then this one's huge, 2-way full duplex audio communication. What does that mean? Well, like a walkie-talkie, if I'm talking into a walkie-talkie, you can't talk. And then you have to wait till I'm done until you can say something. Well, with the video, with someone standing at your front door, especially if it's raining or snowing, or if it is a package that you need to get delivered, not having the other person be able to talk until you're done and vice versa makes it really hard to communicate. It doesn't feel like a natural conversation. So what this does is when that person talks, you can hear them even if you're holding the button down and talking to them as well. So that's great. Motion sensitivity settings, as well as auto-adjusting bitrate Wi-Fi connection. That's another thing that consumers today are just not really aware of when they're purchasing video doorbell cameras, is that the Wi-Fi connection is everything, and some video doorbells don't play well with that. It also has over-the-air automatic firmware updates. Basically means that the investment that you make can stay current over time. So real quick, a couple things I want to point out that make this video doorbell solution different is when it's integrated into the alarm system, it changes everything. So with us, we use different manufacturers for intrusion and cameras and so on. Well, our video doorbell integrates with our alarm system. So if you see here at the bottom left of the screen, from the same screen that you are talking to someone, that they're at your door, you can reach your virtual keypad app. So what that means is that let's say someone's at my door and I need to unlock the door and I need to disarm the alarm system. I don't have to close this down and go to another app and then go to another app to manage all that. I can just hit that button right there. It brings me to the virtual keypad app that my alarm system is on, and I can manage all of that from the same screen, which makes it, again, a lot easier to use. It also makes it a little bit more seamless for someone trying to move quickly, especially if someone's at your door. 20 seconds feels like 2 minutes at a door, just standing there kind of waiting, right? So another thing is we talked about the motion sensitivity. I know that for me at my home, this was a big deal. My home is not perfect for having a doorbell camera at it. So I would put my sensitivity on low and it would still catch the American flag waving. I'd put it on high and sometimes it wouldn't even catch someone coming to my door, or it would catch the car driving by. It just was not, I could never really get it just right. What the doorbell solution that we offer provides is a grid of motion. So as you see here in the picture, you can see that I actually get to select that sidewalk. And that sidewalk is what I wanted to focus on. So all the trees blowing, if I have a pot sitting up on the front porch with flowers in it, I can say, don't see that, see this. So it's much more detailed than just a low, medium, high sensitivity. It also is giving me a grid to show where I want that motion to be detected from. So that's very powerful. All in all, one thing that we want to make sure that we discuss as well is the app. So again, if you've ever had a television that had a DVD player built into it, with other solutions, if you're going to have a video doorbell tied into your alarm system, you're tying those two technologies together. So in the sense of, you could have, maybe someone has a great video doorbell, but not the greatest alarm system, or vice versa. So with us, we provide high quality intrusion systems with high quality video doorbell. They integrate together, and you have a professional installer and a professional company servicing that for you as well. So with this, you get to not only unlock the power of a great video doorbell solution, but then also you get the power of the great app that comes with the alarm system installation. So with that, we will sign off today. If you have any questions, obviously, give us a shout. We would love to answer them for you. And if you have not followed us currently on social media, please do. And we will see you guys next week. Thanks so much.